If ChatGPT is showing the unable to load history error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This issue is usually caused by a temporary connection problem, an expired login session, a browser cookie issue, or even a browser extension interfering with ChatGPT. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it in just a few minutes without doing anything complicated. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides like this. First, the simplest thing to do is check whether the problem is on OpenAI's side. Open a new tab and visit status.openai.com. If there's an outage or service disruption, the history panel may not load properly no matter what you do on your end. If everything looks normal there, go back to ChatGPT and click the Retry button if you see it under the error message. That often forces the page to reconnect and reload your history. If that still does not work, do a hard refresh of the page. On Windows, press F5. On Mac, press Command and R. This can clear a temporary page loading issue and bring your sidebar history back instantly. If the error continues, the next thing to try is logging out and logging back in again. Sometimes your session token becomes stale and ChatGPT cannot authenticate the request correctly. To do this, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner, select Log Out, then close the browser tab completely. After that, open a new tab, go back to ChatGPT, and sign in again with the same account. In many cases, that alone solves the issue. If you are still seeing the error, the next step is to clear the site data for ChatGPT without wiping your entire browser. This is important because corrupted cookies can break the connection between your browser and ChatGPT history. Open your browser settings, then go to Privacy and Security and look for cookies and other site data. From there, remove the saved data for ChatGPT or clear site data related only to that website. Once that's done, refresh the page and log in again. If the history still won't load, try opening ChatGPT in Incognito or Private mode. This helps you figure out whether a browser extension is causing the problem. For example, ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blocking extensions can sometimes stop the history panel from loading. On Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Firefox or Safari, use the private browsing shortcut for your browser. Then open ChatGPT again and check whether the history loads properly. If it works in Incognito mode, the issue is likely caused by an extension or browser setting, and you can disable extensions one by one until you find the culprit. Another helpful step is to make sure your browser is fully up to date. An outdated browser can sometimes create compatibility issues with web apps like ChatGPT. So if nothing else has worked, update your browser, restart it, and try again. You can also test ChatGPT in a different browser to see whether the issue is specific to your current one. For example, if you're using Chrome, try Edge or Firefox. If the history loads in another browser, that tells you the problem is isolated to your original browser setup. And if all else fails, wait a little while and try again later, because some history loading problems are caused by temporary server-side delays. So to quickly recap, the main fixes are checking OpenAI status, clicking Retry, hard refreshing the page, logging out and back in, clearing ChatGPT site data, and testing Incognito mode. If you follow those steps carefully, you should be able to fix the unable to load history error in ChatGPT and get your sidebar working again. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss more simple troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.